Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. It is a true Bel Air. Great car, guys. I actually sold this car, it's been maybe 3 years ago, to a gentleman locally by Traverse City. But I bought this car from a guy out of North Carolina that I've actually bought several cars from over the years. Older restoration. I checked back through my notes. This is about a 15-year-old resto. Very well maintained, very nice car. One thing I can tell you about Mike, the guy I got this car from, everything he's got is built to drive. I mean, he just gets in them and he'll drive them everywhere. Great car. It's finished in Roman red. It's got very nice taupe leather interior in it, and it's buttery soft. I mean, it is very comfortable interior. A few little things you can nitpick. Again, older resto. It's done about 15 years ago, but very, very well maintained. Good car. Really good car. It's just a little piece of rag right there. You can see the chrome and stainless is nice. You can nitpick the grill. I would assume that's probably the original grill and they replaced the trim around the outside. Front bumper looks real good. The rear bumper has got some fade in it. Pretty paint. There is some touch-up marks as we go around and I'll try to point them out. Not a ton, but like I say, there is a few little marks in the paint. The car's got, I looked at it, almost 8,000 miles on it since it was done. Car was originally out of North Carolina. Does have an aftermarket radio in it. I think that's Sirius radio right there. It's actually mounted in the trunk here. Water spots on there. And you can see a little chip there. Boys, missed the little dust there. This is the weakest part of the car. You can see it's got a little fade there in the bumper. Definitely nice enough car that if you wanted to replace it, you definitely could. Car straight down the sides. Brand new wheels and tires. Those are 18 and 20-inch Foose wheels with new rubber all the way around it. It had another set of wheels on it and I just didn't like them. We do have fender skirts for the car. They're in the trunk. Trunk's all finished. Front disc brakes. Pretty car, man. See the big Griffin radiator in it. Like I say, when Mike has it, he drives it. 350 cubic inch engine. It's got a Holley dual feed 4-barrel, polished aluminum intake. It does have aluminum heads, power steering, power front disc brakes, vintage AC. The air does work. Heat blows nice. Jordan and I and Nathan have driven this car several times, so good car. Headers, even things that Mike does. He insulated the fuel line from the heat. You know, those boys down south, they get warm. Again, big Griffin radiator with dual electric fans. It's got a 200 R4 automatic overdrive trans, serpentine pulley system. You see a little spot that they touched up there. And again, you can find something on all of them, guys. I don't care what you spend, how old the restoration is. None of these cars are perfect. Stuff looks pretty darn nice. A little dust on the mirror. Mirrors look good. Definitely has new door handles in it. The stainless across here looks good. Door rubbers are new. It's got an oil change sticker in it. This looks original. They've definitely replaced the carpet. One thing about the mats, as you can see, the mats are slightly off. I had these. These are the rubber mats. I've ordered the carpeted Bel Air mats to match this carpet. They're coming out of California. They should be here any day. So I'm going to pull these out. I'll keep these in my inventory, and it'll have the carpeted Bel Air mats so that it matches. If you see, they're kind of a little bit off. This is more of the mats are a tomato red, and this is a real dark red. Awesome interior. I mean, really soft leather, very comfortable. You can see it's got the Bel Air bows, tilt wheel. It's also got the smaller steering wheel in it. It's showing 19,757, but like I say, there's almost 9,000 miles on the restoration according to my notes. It's got some aftermarket gauges under here. Stock radio's in the dash, but you can see the remote there. It's got an aftermarket radio and custom speakers and everything that are it's mounted out here. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got 10 bolt 355 rear end with a rear sway bar. Nice little dusting there. Again, he's got this all finished, which is nice. There's your fender skirts. This really helps with noise. Again, your radio is all mounted behind here. Nice and clean underneath. Got some pictures of the bottom of it. And like I say, it built to drive, guys. And it really does hit the road nice. Really cool interior. Again, you can see the kick panel speakers. Good, Rick. Those are nice. Again, dual mirrors. Nice little cam to it. George, just kick your air on. Like I say, it blows cold. Got some giddy up and go. That's a pretty car. I like it. I like that it's red too. When I say that, a lot of these cars are, you know, the factory color is actually an orange. This is a fire engine type red. Show me the gauge on the other side. Fuel gauge works. Speedo works. Hopefully you can see that. I think the only thing that didn't work was the backup lights. You can hear that cam working. Car's got a good sound. Again, they got the nice carpet in there. If you see that molding up to there. Oh, the radio's in the back. Yeah, it's in the back. Yeah, you got a healthy little piece of trim there on the Bel Airs. Wipers work. They've been converted to electric. That's nice. Nice little cam. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. You can also keep track of us on Instagram or Facebook. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. That way you can do that by clicking a little button. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.